Have you ever wondered who holds the future of artificial intelligence in their hands? Could it be the tech giants in Silicon Valley, or perhaps somewhere else entirely? As we dive into the world of AI, it's clear that the race is on, with nations vying for the top spot in tech innovation. However, one player is steadily emerging, gaining ground with a strategy that is as bold as it is effective. With a population exceeding 1 billion and a government that's both committed and resourceful, China is making waves in the AI arena. It's not just about population size or governmental support, it's about a vision of becoming a global leader in AI. And they're not just dreaming, they're acting, investing heavily in AI research and development, and leveraging their vast data resources. The answer to this question may surprise you. It's not Silicon Valley, but China that's taking the lead in the AI race. China's dominance in AI doesn't come out of nowhere. It is propelled by its vast data resources. In the realm of artificial intelligence, data is the new oil, and China is sitting on a veritable gold mine. The country boasts a staggering number of over 800 million internet users. That's more than double the entire population of the United States. Every click, every search, every interaction online is a piece of data, and China has access to an almost unfathomable amount of it. This data is crucial for training artificial intelligence algorithms. Think of it as the raw material that fuels the AI machine. The more data you have, the better your AI can perform. It can learn faster, make more accurate predictions, and tackle more complex problems. It's like giving a sculptor a mountain of clay instead of a single lump. The possibilities are exponentially greater, but it's not just about the sheer volume of data. The Chinese government plays a crucial role in promoting data collection and AI development. They understand the value of data and have implemented policies to harness it effectively. This includes initiatives to improve data infrastructure, encourage data sharing, and even relax data privacy regulations. Yes, this approach raises legitimate concerns about privacy and civil liberties, but from a purely technological standpoint, it provides a significant advantage. This combination of abundant data and government support has created a fertile ground for AI innovation. Chinese companies can train their AI systems faster and on a larger scale. They can experiment with new models, refine existing ones, and develop technologies that were previously unthinkable. In essence, China's data advantage is giving it a head start in the AI race. With access to an unprecedented amount of data, China is turning itself into a global AI powerhouse. It's a testament to the power of data and a clear indication of where the future of AI is heading. As we continue to generate more data, the countries and companies that can harness it effectively will be the ones leading the charge in the AI revolution. But data alone isn't enough. China's AI dominance is also fueled by massive investments in AI research and development. To become a global leader in any field, the right resources and a strategic vision are imperative. China has made it clear that it's betting big on AI, and its game plan is both ambitious and calculated. China's government has committed billions of dollars to AI research and development. This isn't just about building futuristic labs and research facilities. China is going a step further, attracting top talent from across the globe. This brain gain is fostering a hotbed of innovation, leading to breakthroughs that touch every corner of industry and society. Take healthcare, for example. In China, AI is being used to predict outbreaks, improve patient care, and even perform surgeries. In finance, AI algorithms are transforming how transactions are conducted, offering a seamless and secure banking experience. These strides in AI aren't just by chance. They're the result of a deliberate and sustained investment in research and development. China is not just pouring money into AI, it's strategically investing in the right places and the right minds. The country's focus on AI research and development is not just about dominating the present, but about shaping the future. It's about laying the foundation for a world where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. And let's not forget the spin-off benefits of these investments. With every breakthrough, new industries are born, new jobs are created, and the economy gets a healthy boost. China's investments in AI are not just transforming technology, they're reshaping the country's economic landscape. China's strategic investments in AI research and development have brought about a paradigm shift in the global AI landscape. From being a follower, China is now a leader, setting benchmarks for others to aspire to. With its strategic investments, China is not just participating in the AI race, it's setting the pace. China's commitment to AI extends beyond research and development. It's also shaping the minds of the next generation. The country's education system is strategically incorporating artificial intelligence into its curriculum, fostering a culture of innovation from the ground up. This commitment starts at the primary school level. Young students are introduced to the basic concepts of AI, learning about algorithms, coding, and robotics. This early exposure helps to demystify AI, making it approachable and fascinating rather than intimidating. As students progress to middle and high school, the complexity of their AI education increases. They delve deeper into the subject, exploring the applications of AI in various industries and learning about ethical considerations. This comprehensive approach ensures that students gain a well-rounded understanding of AI, preparing them for the challenges and opportunities of the future. At the university level, China's commitment to AI education is even more evident. Many Chinese universities have established dedicated AI departments, offering degrees in AI and related fields. These departments are magnets for talented individuals, attracting both local and international students eager to learn from leading experts in the field. But it's not just about formal education. China is also encouraging informal learning through AI competitions and hackathons. These events provide a platform for students to apply their knowledge, solve real-world problems, and showcase their innovation. The impact of this focus on AI education is profound. It's producing a new generation of technologically literate individuals, equipped with the skills and knowledge to drive the AI revolution. These individuals are not just consumers of technology, they are creators, innovators, and leaders. And the world is taking notice. From Silicon Valley to London, companies and institutions are looking to China, recognizing the strength and potential of its AI talent pool. They see a generation that's not only comfortable with AI, but also capable of pushing its boundaries. By fostering a culture of innovation, China is preparing to lead the AI revolution. What sets China apart in the AI race is not just its resources, but also its unique approach to AI development. This approach is largely shaped by the country's regulatory environment, especially concerning data privacy. Unlike many Western nations, China's data privacy regulations are relatively loose. This affords Chinese companies a distinct advantage. They can use their vast data resources more extensively for AI training. You see, when it comes to AI, data is king. The more data you have, the better your AI can learn, adapt, and grow. China's looser regulations mean that companies can collect and use a wider range of data, providing a rich tapestry for AI systems to learn from. This allows for the rapid development and refinement of AI technologies. Furthermore, these regulations allow Chinese companies to develop AI technologies faster and on a larger scale. This is because the more data an AI system has to learn from, the quicker it can improve and become more sophisticated. In fact, some of the world's most advanced AI systems have been developed in China, thanks in part to this extensive use of data. But it's not just about the speed and scale of development. China's unique approach also fosters innovation. With fewer restrictions on data usage, Chinese AI developers are free to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. This has led to groundbreaking advancements in fields such as facial recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. Of course, this approach has its critics. Concerns about data privacy and security are valid, and China's approach may not be suitable for all countries. But there's no denying the impact it's having on AI development. In many ways, China's AI journey is a path less traveled, and it's leading to some fascinating destinations. By embracing a different approach, China is pushing the envelope of AI technology and setting the pace in the global AI race. With its unique approach, China is reshaping the global AI landscape. China's dominance in the AI race is not just a domestic phenomenon, it's having a global impact. It's a ripple effect that's being felt far and wide. And here's how. Chinese corporate giants, Alibaba and Tencent, are not just focusing on their homeland. They're spreading their wings, investing in AI startups all around the globe. Why does this matter? Well, these investments are creating a vast and interconnected network of innovation. They're extending China's influence beyond its borders, shaping the AI landscape on a global scale. From Silicon Valley to Tel Aviv, Chinese funding is fueling AI development. It's powering breakthroughs, fostering creativity, and giving rise to new possibilities. And in doing so, China is not just participating in the global AI race, it's setting the pace. So what's the takeaway? In the global AI race, China is not just a participant, it's a game changer. China's rise in the AI race is no accident. The country's strategic vision, coupled with massive investments, have positioned it at the forefront of AI innovation. Its vast data resources provide an unparalleled training ground for AI algorithms, while billions of dollars are being funneled into research and development, fostering breakthroughs across diverse industries. China's dedication to AI is also woven into its education system, where students from primary schools to universities are being equipped with knowledge about AI and its real-world applications. This is nurturing a new generation of tech-savvy individuals, prepared to steer the future. Furthermore, China's unique approach to AI development, characterized by more relaxed data privacy regulations, offers a competitive edge. Chinese companies can train their AI systems faster and more extensively, further accelerating China's dominance. With its unique advantages and visionary approach, China is not just an AI player, it's an AI superpower.